Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about another class called StringBuilder. StringBuilder is slightly different in the way it functions compared to the string class. We're just going to see a quick example and basically learn when to use StringBuilder. So we'll create a new class in the same package, and this time we'll call it StringBuilderTest with the main method. Hit finish. So in here, we know if you have to create a string, it will be string name equals John, right? So string builder would be something like this. String builder, we'll call it name2 equals new string builder. As you can see, there are multiple constructors, right, that are available for string builder. We'll use this one because it takes a string in and we're going to pass the name that we created, right? So the way you create a string builder is slightly different compared to the way you create a string. But the advantage is if I want to add, you know, the title to this name, right? Like the programmer title that we saw in string test, you can just say name to dot. There are a bunch of methods that you can use, right? You can use as append and say space programmer, right? Let's try to print it, see what happens. Println of name2. So we'll right click, do run as Java application. We get John space programmer. So we got the output same as what we did in string test, but the difference is, as we learned in our string class, whenever you create a new string with any operation, concatenation or anything, right, it always creates a new string. That is not a very good way of manipulating strings. If you have a requirement or a need that you have to do a lot of string manipulation, where you will constantly create new strings manipulating existing strings, string builder gives you a better option because you are basically manipulating the same set of values in the same memory location whenever you are performing any operation with string builder. So you will not end up with creating multiple strings in memory. You are always working with the same set of characters, right? In that way, string builder is much more efficient in manipulating strings as opposed to string, right? Which is why it's very good to learn this class, because there would come a point where you would have requirements to manipulate strings quite a bit. At the time, knowing about the string builder class and what it has to offer will really help, right? Also, if I do a name too, just like the string class, this has a bunch of methods, right? You can even append an integer, anything that you want to append. This class has a variety of methods that you can use to do almost all types of string manipulation that are commonly done, right? It also has the length and everything that string has, so you're not losing anything, but you get the benefit of performance and efficiency, where you're not creating a ton of strings in memory, right? It even has it even has methods like reverse, where it just basically reverses what you have. So we could call name2.reverse, right? And see what happens. Let's try to run it. There you got programmer. As you can see, it doesn't return anything. You don't have to save the result elsewhere because it works on the same string. When you say reverse, it reverses and keeps the string there. So it's much more efficient than having to reverse the string by yourself, assigning it to a different variable, which ends up creating multiple strings in the memory. So that's basically string builder. Just like the string class, I would really like to encourage you to try the different methods that are there in string builder, because many of them will come in handy when you do other programs in Java in future. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.